going on, guys? Let's get started. Obviously we got a nice little jump right now here in the morning, so let's see where it takes us. It's been 2 days of straight up surging to the top, so I wouldn't be surprised if today is a data short, but I'm not going in with a bias or anything, just gonna see what the market gives us. All right, I'm gonna go through micros long. And we're gonna try to hold these for a while, since we are playing micros and we're trying to make $1,000. So. This is not looking too good, guys. All right, we're gonna close it out here. Should have taken profits, right? Should have taken profits. It's all right. Closing it. Looks like we're trading in range, guys, but we'll see. Take that. There we go. Slowly recovering. We will make it, guys. Don't worry. We will make our $1,000 just using micros. Close that out for a bit. Let's get a better entry. Let's just put one here. One contract. Again, we're playing micros today. If it was minis, we would have already been done, right? Because with the with this here that we played out, it easily would have been maybe even $2,000. So quite a big difference, right? In terms of minis or micros. Close it here. We got a higher RSI here, lower in price. Let's wait till we cross this line here. Oh, there we go. And just a little dip, and I'm buying. All right, guys, we're recovering some of the losses. I don't think it's going to be too hard to recover them, to be honest, but since we are playing micros, we're just going to take more trades, right? It's going to eat up on commissions, which is why I don't like trading micros, because you have to take many trades. But hey, you guys asked for it. You guys will see it. I'm gonna close it off. All right. Slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. All right. Slowly but surely. Minis are just not my thing, man. All right, guys. Micros did not work for us, so it is what it is. It's not my thing. The minis, I can take advantage of the high leverage where small movements is enough for me to make a good amount of profit, and also it requires less contracts, which means that our commissions are much lower. So it's one of those things where the strategy is tied to the leverage. It's just one of those things, right? So it is what it is. It's our first losing day on the channel, on the PA account, so it's okay. You're gonna have losing days, right? But it's all right. We're gonna recover. We'll do that tomorrow, Friday. Actually, I don't like trading Fridays. Usually the market trades sideways on Fridays, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how the market is doing tomorrow, and we'll go back to hopefully profitable, like we've been very consistently in the past, which is using minis. So I'll call it here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or Monday. Bye, guys.